Hello everyone, it's Creepy and Tina.
Hi.
Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a splendid day and that you are in the best of health.
Yes, with health as always being most important. So today we are going to talk about YouTube, YouTubers, us.
Pretty much.
And what does that all mean? Because we've gotten a lot of questions and comments about how can I support the channel? You know, what's this thing on Buy Me a Coffee? And I don't understand YouTube at all. We get it all. I don't see your videos.
Right.
You know, I subscribed, but I never see your videos.
No.
What happened? So here is some of the stuff to kind of clear that all up on how YouTubers actually, if they're able to, monetize their channel. How do you make some money? These days, everyone is a YouTuber.
Right. Hundreds of them. All over the place.
But not everyone is a content creator. Now that is the word that I really think that people should grab onto. Anyone can start a YouTube channel. You can have your friends and family to join and have maybe 5 viewers, 5 subscribers. But having a YouTube channel where we have thousands and thousands, and some people millions, tuning in every week is a big pressure pot.
Better believe it.
Because you always have to have really clear, concise, accurate, and interesting content for you guys to watch. So we've seen this island get flooded. I mean, everybody's a YouTuber.
Everybody's YouTuber now these days. Everybody.
Everyone with a phone is a YouTuber, supposedly. Right. So we have seen tons of DR YouTube channels. I'll tell you this, some I think are complete trash. Some are promoting certain lifestyles, and some are just straight party channels. And I hate to say it, but some have even given YouTube a really bad name. The island of the Dominican Republic a bad name. And unfortunately, expats from all over an even worse name. So that's why we've always strived to try to keep our content consistent, accurate, and resourceful for you guys, our viewers, which you know we call the Caribbean family.
Right.
Now there are those rare gems, I would say, on YouTube that even we like watching.
Right.
I love Walter's World, love it. So if you love travel all over, want to learn about it, and we love Our Rich Journey, because if you're trying to retire and you want those gems on how to retire early or to retire well, they're just a wealth of knowledge. That is what I call content creators. I would hope to think that we are content creators.
Absolutely. And if not, just look at the videos.
But I think that knowing the difference between someone who's holding up a camera and saying that they're a YouTuber and a content creator, knowing the difference is key. If you're not entertained or more informed, by the end of that video, you wasted your time.
Yep.
And the creator was very ineffective in offering you great content. And then why would you watch it over and over again? And even more so, why would you subscribe? I don't get it.
Right.
I think we need to clean up our subscription list. A lot of us know certain people that we shouldn't be subscribed to. And maybe it's time you go through your YouTube list and unsubscribe to some channels that you're giving life to. But another thing that a lot of people say is, hey, but how do you guys make money on YouTube? Well, it's a thing called monetization. So once you have received what YouTube says is the bare minimum, which is 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watched minutes, watched hours, 4,000 hours, then you're monetized. Boom. Monetization, honestly though, it's like 0.0001 for every ad. That's all it is. Not much money.
Yeah,
not much money at all. So another thing is a lot of people say, well, I hit subscribe. Why don't I see your video? Well, if you don't hit the notification bell, that's why in the videos we always say, but you guys kind of cut us off early. We say hit subscribe and we say make sure to hit that notification bell.
Right.
Because if they don't hit that notification bell, you will not know when we have new content and videos being released. It tells you as soon as the video goes live that we've released something. If we go live and we do a pop-up, it tells you. So you have have to have notification bell hit. You gotta do it.
That and subscriptions, the two main things.
And also that thumbs up. Why? Because that tells YouTube, changes that algorithm, like I always say, and we will appear more and more on things you might want to watch, things you might have missed, things you'd like to see. And you guys are really not going to like me to say, but don't click skip ad. If you skip the ad, that is our monetization. It's the free way you're patroning us. So if you could just kind of stick through that minute or half minute, or sometimes I know it's like 2 minutes worth of ads. It's terrible, I know. But if you stick through there, that is the revenue that we get our revenue based on. So it's on ads. So I know ads are everywhere.
I mean, the whole world's full of ads. I mean, everywhere you look, you're gonna see somebody trying to sell you something. So you can't escape.
Yeah.
You know, you cannot escape that. So.
And the more you hit the thumbs up or the like on certain videos, you're telling YouTube, hey, I really like them. I really like that type of content. And you will get on your featured or people you'd like to see, and you'll get videos that are like us. So, hey, there might be somebody out there that you didn't even know about, maybe in another country or maybe here in the DR, that you might have been missing content from because you haven't hit any likes on anybody. So YouTube doesn't really get a feel for what you're looking for. So then they're not gonna suggest, they'll suggest something crazy and you'll be like, why did they suggest that? Also, comments. Comments, and not just hey or yay, thumbs up, but a real comment shows YouTube that you're engaging, you have a genuine interest in our videos, and we love to hear in the comments how you've been inspired or how we helped or how we can help, because hey, we get video ideas from it, like this one.
Absolutely.
Out of comments. And you can always, at the bottom, share the videos. So remember, you can share via Facebook, via Twitter, you know, email. And the more that you share our videos, we also get on that algorithm, so we'll start popping up as something that suggested videos that people may want to go and view. So now here's the thing. Somebody made a comment on, what's this buy me a coffee? What is that? You guys always have it at the end of your videos, and you're always talking about this membership. What exactly is buymeacoffee.com/CaribbeanE all about? Well, we did that because we were getting flooded, I would say bombarded, but flooded with a lot of requests and questions, and like, I want to call you, I need to see you, I needed this, I needed that. And I was like, wait a minute, I've got to organize this all. So the only way that we could organize this all is to have a consulting service to help you guys out. So if you have questions or concerns, either whether it's a visit coming up or a possible relocation or just a temporary relocation, we allow for consulting services where, yes, unfortunately, we have to charge for it. We have the consulting services for 1 hour. We'll get on a phone, you send us the questions, and we'll try to help as best as we can. And we always do a follow-up email so that if there's something you couldn't remember that we talked about, the information is there for you. When you join the membership, first of all, you get money off on a consultation. So if you need a consultation and a membership, you do that because you'll get a discount on the consultation. But membership also just thanks us first and foremost for giving you guys great content, because content costs money.
Right.
Nothing in life is free.
Ain't free.
Unless you went to work last week and said, you know what, I had such a great time. Don't worry, you don't got to pay me. You don't got to pay me for work now. Take the whole week's check. Have fun. You've got to get paid for it.
Right.
So it thanks us. It helps us to supply more great content. And via email, we will answer 1 to 2 questions per month for our members. During our lives, you'll see we always have donate to buy me a coffee, or we say just donate straight through YouTube, because you can hit the donate button and you can donate through YouTube. Because when you guys want to see things, and we get it all the time, hey, what about a certain restaurant? Hey, what about a certain park? Hey, what about a certain neighborhood? Hey, I'd love to see spa services. Well, along with that, I'm not getting a $50 gift certificate to go to the spa. So Tina has to pay for the spa. We would never endorse someplace that we haven't ate at,
That's right.
had a service from, and knew that we got good customer service so that you guys would get good customer service, good prices so you guys can have great prices, and most importantly, we weren't ripped off, because then we don't want to send you there so that you get ripped off. Because we're all family and we're supposed to be watching out for each other. So to go and do all these things, it takes time, it takes money, it takes transportation fees, and we do all of that cost up front for you guys. Do we love what we do? Yes. If we didn't,
we wouldn't be
believe
doing
me,
it.
this channel would be it would be done.
Gone.
But it's a lot of upfront costs. And then there's things that people never think about, because it's all the stuff that happens behind the scenes. And that is the hours of editing programs, all of the equipment that we have, and things like your cameras, your microphones, your lights. He has a lot of things.
Bag full of stuff.
Even if you go to buy me a coffee right now, we're trying to take donations for a drone, because we just want the cinematography to be so amazing for you guys. We want you guys to feel like you are where we are. And all of that stuff, unfortunately, is not free. No one's sending it to us for free.
Right.
If you want to send it to us, feel free. But at this point, we're not there yet, so we have to pay for it. So since everything costs so much for us up front, we do kind of hope to recoup, and that you guys would be generous, and that you guys would show us some love. And that during the live and on the Buy Me a Coffee, you feel free to donate. And we'd like to take this second out to say thank you so much.
Thank you.
To all of our donors, and everyone that supported us through this whole entire 2 years that we've been on YouTube, those that have come out and met us, those that have taken us out to dinners, those that have brought things from the U.S. in for us, gifts, wine, everything. Thank you so much, you guys. You guys are amazing.
Thank you very much.
So,
you're awesome.
Now we're going to tell you some of the things we like about being YouTubers. You said definitely connecting with people.
Connecting with people from all over the world, okay, and especially the U.S., which is our biggest audience right now.
But we have lots of countries all over. So shout out to like Australia, Thailand, Taiwan. We have had UK, Canada. You guys are from just everywhere. Spain, Italy. We've had people from everywhere reach out to us. And we just want to say thank you. You engaged us through through the comments, and we're happy to have you on board on the Caribbean, journey.
And also Dominican Republic too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people follow us from Dominican Republic.
So then it's also the feeling and the accomplishment and that feeling of satisfaction. I told you that's kind of what it is. When the viewers kind of let us know how we've helped or how we've made a difference in their lives and their journey, so that they can go to living outside the box. And then you said that it was really about...
Also, I get a chance to share God's word also on Sundays and Sundays only to people all over the world. The biggest audience I ever had on YouTube. So that right there is a big piece of what we do, and I love doing that. I love sharing that with you.
And that's amazing that we can do all this and reach all of you even in the midst of COVID. That you've kept so many people's spirits up during COVID. So with that, we'll wrap up this video. Again, thank you to all our new subscribers. Thank you to our tried and true, our ride or dies, our day ones.
So, in the meantime, between the time, always remember that life is to be enjoyed.
Yes, and as always, since we've just explained it, make sure to hit that subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Give this and all videos a thumbs up, because hitting subscribe and hitting that thumbs up is the free and easy way to patron this channel and all your other fellow YouTubers that you like. And remember, all information is always underneath every single video, so that you can be informed on how to reach out to us and thank us, or hit that happy hour button to give Caribbean and I a happy hour after all those hours of editing.
So, until the next video,